I'm going to blow up the microwave because microwave sucks. Yes. I did it. I blowed up the microwave. Oh no!
Dark Garnet bro. I can't believe you blowed up the microwave. That costs too expensive. Now we're going to buy a new one thanks to you. That's it. You are grounded until August. Go to bed now.